Good morning, students. As you know, we are doing our chapter 4, Organization of Data. Today we are going to discuss about how we can convert raw data into a statistical series. Before doing the conversion process, let us know that there are two types of statistical series. The first series is individual series and the second is frequency series. The frequency series is further categorized as a discrete series and continuous series. So, in reality, we have to study the three types of statistical series. Number one, individual series, then discrete series, and then continuous series. Clear? So, let's discuss them one by one. The first type of series is individual series. Those series in which items are listed singly means where each and every item of the data is listed individually, that series is known as individual series. Like for example, here we are having marks obtained by 10 students and those marks are listed singly, like this one, 18 by one student, 12 by the second student, 14 by the third student, 15 by the fourth, and similarly 10, 13, 14, 19, 18 and 12. These are the marks of 10 students we are having. Now these marks are listed individually for each student. So this type of series where the items are listed singly, it is known as individual series. You can see here that many items repeats itself, like 12 is here for 2 times, 14 is here for 2 times, clear, but 18 is here for 2 times, but still whether the two students are getting 18, we have written them individually, means separately, clear. So when all the items are written or recorded individually or separately, then that series is known as individual series, clear. And there is no frequency of the items. Frequency means number of times an item repeat itself, clear. We have not written that 18 marks are obtained by 2 students. 2 is the frequency of 18 marks, clear. Means how many students are getting 18, that is 2 students, so 2 is the frequency. But in this series we are not stating the frequency of the items, clear. And also the data is not presented in range. Range refers to group, like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, this is a range, clear. The data is also not presented in group, data is listed singly over here, clear. So individual series is a series in which data is presented individually and separately, and there is no frequency given and not even class intervals, clear. Now the individual series data can be presented in two ways, either by according to their serial numbers, like we have roll numbers in the classes, or in ascending or descending order, clear. By any of the two ways we can represent the individual series. Example of both have been given to you. The first here is according to serial number, like we are here having marks of students of class 10th, then we know we have roll numbers of each and every student 1 2 3 4 5. So the person who is bearing first roll number, he obtained 30 marks. The student who is bearing second roll number, he obtained 25 marks. The student who is bearing the roll number 3, he is obtained 15 marks. So that we are representing the data individually and separately for each one of the student, clear. And if we are representing in ascending or descending order, then firstly we have to start from the lowest numbers and then go to the highest marks, like here 15, 25, 25, 30, 30. These are the marks of 5 students given to us, clear. And similarly if we want to present in descending order, then we have to start from the highest to the lowest number, 30, 30, 25, 25, 15. These are also the marks of 5 students individually, clear. So individual series can be presented either according to a serial number, like roll numbers in the classes, or in ascending or descending order.